Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, look at these. Look at these. 2 here, 2 there, 1 there, 1 over there. Oh yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Drive a little farther, go back, get your car dirty, find some mushrooms. Dang, these are nice. I'm back out in the forest on the east side of Mount Hood. We're hunting morels with my buddy Bob. We're in our second spot here. First spot wasn't so good, but we're in our second spot. We hop out of the car. All of a sudden we found half a dozen nice, big, juicy blondes. So it's gonna be a good day. We're at about 2,500 feet. Let's go. Check it out. Look at this big old blondie. Right here. Nice. That's a pretty chunky one. Check it out. There's another one here. Nice chunky one. And look up the hill. There's a third one. We're in the shrooms. Look at this guy. Nice. Couple of chunkies. So this crazy morel season has caused me to rethink everything that I know about morels. I used to say I only find them on south-facing slopes. No. I used to say I only find them on slope ground. No. I used to say I never find them in long needle pines, whether they're the ponderosas or the lodgepole pines. Finding them here. And look at this area that I'm looking at. It's totally flat. There's a lot of stuff on the ground. Normally, I would say move on. But as I'm talking to you, I see one big one over there. Another big one over there. And I bet you we've probably found 40 or 50 of them in this one spot that normally I would have said, nope, too much grass, too much needle duft. I don't know if I've been wrong all these years and just been lucky, or this is a weird year. I don't know. You guys know anything different? Leave a note in the comments, but this is like brand new stuff for me. And I'm wondering how much of the good area I've always just driven by over the years and could have had more mushrooms. Anyway, just something to think about. You think you know a lot about mushrooms? Maybe you don't know squat. Got to start over. So I'm okay. I'm a learner. Always a student. Let's keep going. Check it out. Bob's getting into a few of them. Nice work, Bob. I got 2 of them right here. Oh, about to sit on this one. Look at this guy here. Nice. There. There's 2 twins right there, Bob.
Those 2 you spotted. That one
No, but look at these 2 right here.
Yeah, those are the ones you spotted. There's
Yeah.
one right to the left of you.
And that one, yeah. Man, that's a good little spot here. Right off the road. I've got 2 more right here. Still good, man. Look at that. Beautiful. I bet there's right. Hey, Bob, you missed one right behind you. Right behind you. Look down.
Oh, geez. That's
Come
a
on.
blondie, too.
Come on, Demi. So I want to introduce you guys to a edible plant out here. These guys, this is called miner's lettuce. So you look at it, it's got kind of a heart-shaped leaf to it and a little flower in the center. And it's totally edible. I think they call it miner's lettuce because the miners used to eat it when they were out here during the gold rush. It's pretty tasty. Be great for a nice little salad. It's a little nutty, kind of like arugula, but man, that's pretty good. So anyway, not going to starve out in the forest. Let's keep going. Let me get a little more. So we found another blonde one. after searching a little dry for a little while. Got another spot, but check this guy out. What a beautiful mushroom. Check it out. Look at this guy right here. What a beauty. Let's cut him down. Nice chunker. Not bad for a bonehead. You guys see the morel? Right there. Look at that big dude. What a chunky morel. Look at the size of that guy. I don't know if you can see it in the shadow. Nice. Let's see what else we got in here. That might be one over there. There's probably a couple of hide in here too. Oh, I see one right there. Look. There's another one. Look at him. Yeah. All right. And look. There's a third one hiding. Not bad, guys. Not bad. Check this one out, guys. Nice, beautiful blondie right here. And look, there's another one sitting over there. Let's get him. Nice. Oh my goodness, I see another one over there. Look at that big dude. So this is an area I would have not hunted. But driving by, we passed a couple of guys and said, hey, how's it going? And they were nice enough to say, yeah, there's morels in here. And so we drove about about a mile back, pulled over in some similar areas and get out of the car, and we're in the mushrooms. So thank you guys. Appreciate the coaching and the help. So hope to return the favor, but we're in the blondes again. So far, this has been a pretty awesome day. Just happened upon this one spot, and we found dozens of beautiful fresh blonde morels. Total by chance. Just looking for some new spots that haven't been hunted, and we found them, and they are everywhere. So feel pretty blessed and happy that we found these guys. Bag's getting heavy. So check this out. This nice, beautiful grand fir forest. See the truck over there? We're not too far from the truck. This is like the new motherlode honey hole spot. I kind of going across this field, taking a different line, using my GPS to make sure I'm not covering the same tracks. And I come over this log. I see this really cool decomposing log. And I'm like, oh, what's on the end of that log? The big one of the day, and almost his big brother. Check these out. You guys see them? Look at that big old daddy over there, and that one. Those are chunky. Look at how big this guy is. And this one. Dang, those are huge. Look at this guy here. Nice. Nice, freshy. There's another big one right over there. This one, I think, is even larger. Oh, yeah. There you go. Who's your daddy right there? But look at this stuff. All these little bushes and ground cover and things like that. Very interesting to me. It's very interesting to me and see these things growing. And this stuff, which normally I would say no. Normally I'd say keep going. But not today. Not this year. We're finding them, and you know, thank you again to the guys we ran into that said, hey, we're finding mushrooms in here. They were totally fine with us going down the road and hunting, and not close to them, but in the same vicinity. So thanks guys for the tip. Otherwise I would have been going home with a mediocre day. So instead, it is a kick-ass day. This day keeps getting better. It's like every little hump that I go over, I see clusters of morels. Look at these. Look. See those over there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's probably more closer. But look at these guys. 1 over there. 2, 3, and the big daddy right there. It's like a whole family of blondies. Whew. We're eating good tonight. I feel very lucky and fortunate to have found this spot. And I got my buddy Bob with me, but I haven't done much video of Bob, so sorry Bob. But he's finding a ton too, and you guys got to see this new spot. It's ridiculous. Check these out.
Tail into him.
Yes, sir. Check this out.
Yeah.
We got 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is a chunky one over there. 10 over there. Holy shit. I mean crap. And here comes Bob.
You get the mother load?
I found it in mother load, Bob. I thought last weekend was an awesome hunt. This hunt was fantastic. It might have been the luck of Bob that put us on these mushrooms, but man, we both loaded up. What an awesome day. I'm just speechless. It was fantastic. If you guys liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe, and I look forward to joining you in the next adventure. Thanks.